comme j'envie.
Please wash us like this.
Should I buy a high-pressure washer? I think that it will be bothersome to retrieve it and not use it. Because it's big and I need an AC power supply. It seems that there is also a battery type.
Did you buy a manual pump type?
Hein? Je n'ai pas été lavé.
Look at this video. This was so hard that I didn't use it at one time. Certainly the feeling of bubbles is good. I struggle with this pumping. If it is a large vehicle like Tesla, it would be tempting to stop it from the middle stage. But I decided to make my own because it feels like that bubble. I modeled it and made it with a 3D printer. The basic structure is the same as the bubble type hand soap. The rough structure looks like this. Dilute the liquid detergent with water and mix it out with the air. The sponge on the way makes the bubbles fine. Done.
Oh, génial!
Well then, let's use it. This time I use Sonax. This is okay because this concentration is high. Dilute with water. Sonax 20 milliliters and 1 liter of water. I'm pouring water on the hole. I make it according to the mouth of a general plastic bottle. I'm adjusting the amount of mixing air. Fine-tuning. It became quite dense bubbles. If it is the size of Tesla, about 700 milliliters was necessary. So, I use only 14 milliliters of detergent. The rest is thoroughly washed with a sponge. We don't have to add bubbles one by one. Rinse with water. Model S is easy to collect bubbles here. By the way, this nozzle is quite easy to use. Next time to wash DS3.
Ouais. Je vous remercie.
That's enough for small cars. The current model is simple because no handle is necessary. The momentum is good. Use amount of about 400 milliliters. How was it?
J'ai senti que c'était gentil avec notre corps parce que les bulles étaient épaisses.
It seems to be applicable to others.
Yeah. For example, if a dishwashing detergent foam is poured on a dishware or pan with intense oil stains, oil will float and it will be easier to wash. It can also be applied to other bathroom detergents.
Les deux ont été en mesure de réduire considérablement le détergent et l'eau.
Do you sell?
Does anyone buy it? The details are blog posts. The link is in the summary section.